Seasoned, buttery, and salty Chex Party Mix is a holiday classic. This Chex Mix recipe is an oven-baked mix that comes together quickly and lasts for weeks. Welcome back, or if you're new here, my name is Kate and this is Bake That. In a large pan, add 1 stick of salted butter and place the pan in the oven as it is preheating to 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 2 teaspoons of garlic salt and 5 teaspoons of Worcestershire sauce. Stir the ingredients in the pan until they are mixed together. Add 4 cups of Crispex cereal or a mixture of Rice and Corn Chex cereal, 3 cups of Wheat Chex cereal, 1.5 cups of Cheez-Its, 3 handfuls of pretzels, and 1.5 cups of mixed nuts. Mix together until everything is coated in the butter mixture. You can also add in additional nuts like pistachios, hazelnuts, or extra pecans. Cheerios and bagel chips are also great additions to the snack mix. Chex Mix can also be made easily into a double batch and make great gifts or have around the house for snacking. Place the pan in the oven and bake for 1 hour, stirring every 15 minutes. Let this Chex Mix cool completely before storing in a sealed container. Another recipe made with Chex cereal is Muddy Buddies or Puppy Chow. Check out the recipe in the link above or the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Come back next week to bake more good things.